This is so strong an expression that it has been mentioned by my previous speakers, one after the other. And it means that our guests are like our gods. And on that laudable note also I welcome you. Ladies and gentlemen, this great opportunity of welcoming the Y20, G20 delegates all over the country, all over India, in various cities, in various places, various districts. It has become possible only and only on account of the vision, wisdom and magnanimity of our leader, Sri Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister. His sublime thought of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, which again has been said by our previous speakers, that the whole world is one family. It is the propelling force behind all this program, which is G20. And his vision of one earth, one family, one future. Now these are very laudable words. And these words are unparalleled in the history of the efforts ever made for the mutual cooperation and integration of the mankind. Ladies and gentlemen, we in India, we have a civilization of more than 5,000 years. And the dictum which our leader, Honorable Narendra Modi ji, he emulates, that comes from Rig Veda, which was written about 6,000 years back. And it is, and I quote, Ano Bhadra Krito, Ano Bhadra Krito, Yantu Vishwato, Tadmasau Aparitasa Udvida, Devanu Yatha, Sadvid Vidha, Asanna Prayo, Rakshitaro Dvedve. It means that the entire world, from any and every corner of the world, only good news should come. There should be no bad news from anywhere. And this good body which the Almighty God has given us, let it be protected by Him every day, every day. Now that is the idea which our Prime Minister emulates, and this entire program of G20, Y20, it is a result of that thinking of his. Ladies and gentlemen, it is due to the vision, as I mentioned, and his imagination, Prime Minister's imagination, that we have got an opportunity to meet you here, to welcome you here, and also to learn from you about your place, about your culture, about your social milieu, and also your different traditions and different leanings. And that is an education for us. As far as our country is concerned, we in India, we are taking this program with great joy, with great pleasure, and with great pride. Anywhere, everywhere you are going, the welcome for you is visible and is tremendous. Now, as far as India is concerned, your visit is not only welcome, but is beneficial also for the entire nation of ours, for everyone in our country, be it on the plane of social interaction, economic activities, emotional play, or ceremonial occasion. On all these planes, it is very welcome and we are very happy. Entire India is very happy. Now, as far as your visit to Ladakh is concerned, I would have loved to take you to each and every spot in Ladakh which is so good. But time and space constraint, it does not allow us to do so. And therefore, for your familiarization with Ladakh, I have Ladakh, the place, the people, the life of people, and also the prospects. I have collected some pictures which I want to show you for familiarization purposes. Now, this is enchanting moonland. See the beauty of Ladakh in moonlit night, where the mountains shine as a rock of gold. Next. Taking care of our children, ladies and gentlemen, Anganwadi or courtyard shelters for toddlers in Ladakh play a crucial role in providing nutrition, education and health care to children under 6 and lactating mothers. These centers have helped improve the overall health and well-being of the children and empowering our women. Now, look at the women empowerment initiatives. Ensuring empowerment of our women has been one of the focus areas of ours in Ladakh. Our women are excelling in preserving Ladakh's culture and heritage, and they have demonstrated self-help groups who work on handloom and handicraft. We support them with training, finance, technical assistance and market access. In tourism, education, healthcare, also our women are playing vital role and participating in Ladakh's development. Empowerment through skill development initiatives. We aim to promote traditional handloom, handicrafts and also modern skills like solar technician training, electrician, plumbers, digital skills to support sustainable development and open up avenues for self-employment for the people. Now here you see the Ladakh